Hello everyone, welcome to Hangcha TV. I'm Tyron. In last video, I introduced the appearance and the new designs of A-Series reach truck. Today we will talk more about the performance and security. The hydraulic system has optimized to improve the lifting performance. The lifting speed is increased by 23% without load and 22% with full load. The lifting speed reaches up to 300 millimeters per second, and 1.5 to 1.8 ton increases the climbing performance by 20% without load and 15% with full load. 1.5 to 1.8 ton use DC brushless power-assisted steering system, steering actually, operating lightly, maintenance-free. 2 and 2.5 ton equips load electric steering system, operating even lighter and also maintenance-free. Disc mechanical brake and regenerative braking system. 2 and 2.5 ton standard equips front wheel intelligent hydraulic brake, makes the truck safer and more reliable. Standard with speed control at the corner makes the truck turning more smoothly and safer. Optimal lifting system. Travel speed and lift speed is controlled when the mast lifting at a high position, providing stability and safety. Standard side charge port eliminates the need to disconnect the plug from battery, enhancing ease of operation. New optimal battery lock and move device enhances the convenience and reliability when changing battery, and adds position switch to prevent tightening possibility when the lock device is damaged. Battery removal. Step 1. Step on the unlocking pedal. Step 2. Press the safety switch. Step 3. The master moves operating level forward. Battery insertion. Step 1. Press the safety switch. Step 2. The master move operating level backward. Okay, that's all the introduction of our A-Series stand-on reach truck. You can follow our account to see previous videos. To get more information, please download Hangcha Forklift app or visit our website and email. Thank you for watching.